Hi, this is Josh with Resort TV 1, and today I'm taking you on a 4K ultra low light ride on the Tower of Terror here at Disney's Hollywood Studios. We hope you enjoy the video. Please remember to leave us a like and a comment, as well as subscribe and hit that notification bell if you haven't already done so. Also, be sure to follow us on social media. We're Resort TV 1 on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. So let's get started with the ride.
And then she did, and I was like, oh, like, I think everybody's trying to figure out what it's that.
Hi there.
Well, enjoy yourself.
And the low light camera is really going to be able to do this basement scene really well, probably better than you've ever seen it before.
Number one.
Supervise your children. Thank you. Estimados huéspedes, por su seguridad, una vez a bordo, por favor, permanezcan sentados y mantengan sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas
Enjoy your stay.
You are the passengers of a most uncommon elevator about to ascend into your very own episode of The Twilight Zone. people step through the door of an elevator and into a nightmare. That door is opening once again, and this time it's opening for you. To discover what lies beyond the fifth dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest corner of the imagination, in the Tower of Terror. Welcome back to those of you who made it, and a friendly word of warning. Something you won't find in any guidebook. The next time you check into a deserted hotel on the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.
Wow, that was such a fun ride. I know you can't see much during the main ride part, but pretty cool in the scenes leading up to the end how much you could actually see. It's really detailed with this camera, so I hope you enjoyed that. Be sure to leave a comment, let me know what you think, and be sure to also leave us a like.
Welcome back. Thank you. All right, see you next fall.
Cast member was asking everybody on the way out, how was your fall? Such a beautiful evening tonight. Well, that's all for now for this 4K ultra low light ride on the Tower of Terror here at Disney's Hollywood Studios. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to leave us a like and a comment, as well as subscribe and hit that notification bell if you haven't already done so. Also, be sure to follow us on social media. We are Resort TV 1 on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And finally, be sure to check out our sponsors, MickeyBlog.com and MickeyTravels.com, for the best and free Disney vacation planning advice. So for now, have a great big beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye. Now that you've finished watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great big beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.